Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to add a basic color to one side of a cube in Blender. In this tutorial, we can add the cube first, so we can go to Add, Merge, and Add the cube. Close up to view it, and then we can press Shortcut Set and choose Material Preview. Because this cube has lost the material, it shows white. Now we can add material, select the cube, and go to Material Properties and add the new material. Next, we can go to base color. We can change the color. I change it to blue. And then we can go to material slots to add another slot. Add the material slots and add the new material. I pick another color for the base color. I pick pink. Pink. So we got two material here. If you want to make one face to another color, we can go to select the cube and go to edit mode, and then switch to face selection and select one face, and then go to material slots and select the second material and click assign. So we can add the basic color to one side of cube in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.